Hi everyone, so I'm back with another video and another journal, and this is a stuffed ephemera pouch. This will be listed in my shop, so it's a little bit like a starter kit. I've already put two other ones in a separate video if you want to go back and check on that. In fact, I'll link it at the end of the video on the screen. Right, so this is just a blank journal, and the papers that I used for this are from the journal boat, and this is from the journal boat. It's called the Shabby Rose, I think it's called, and this is stuffed for with things, and everything in this you can use in this because this is just a blank journal. So we've got like different ephemeras, coffee dyed papers. These are, I think these are all from the old design shop. Oh no, this is from Bohemian Crafting, who is Eva. This is the old design shop. The journal measures 8 by 4 3/4. Got a little flip there. Yeah, 8 by 4 3/4, and it's got 28 pages front and back. So it's like a blank canvas for you to do whatever you want to. And that is that. So that's the journal. Inside the pouch, so again, I've used paper from the journal boat, the Shabby Rose kit, and the trims that I used here are from Tapology, and I've got a 15% discount code which I will link below for you to use. I think it's Yvonne something or other, but anyway, I'll link it below. So I've done some stitching. I backed the paper onto coffee dyed paper, done stitching, added this tab, and then put an eyelet through it, and then added this. This had all been wrapped around like a piece of card, so you can still kind of see the creases, but they will fall out over time. And then the lace down here. I've got 3 sections in there. Okay, so that's how it looks, and I'll pull out one thing like one pouchy bit at a time. So there is 10 tabs altogether. They could be spread around throughout that pouch. So there's 10 tabs, coffee dyed and inked up. We've got 2 of these journal cards which I've backed onto coffee dyed cardstock, and we have this little label, and we have these. I've inked these up. You can like put your tabs on them if you want to do, or make them into pockets. I mean, just use your imagination when you're crafting, and just do as you please. Some more ephemera, made some little snippets here. These were I think I showed, not on a video I don't think, but on some of the craft groups like the Junk Journal Junkies and that. The other week I had made some masterboards, and I used them, cut them up, and you can see on the back that it's got like a magazine page or whatever, but you'd be gluing them down anyway. And then I just done some layering on them with, and I haven't pulled away the cheesecloth because obviously some people might like the heavier look. I like the tatty look myself, but you know, everyone is different and how they like things. Then in this pouch, let me move that out of the way. Then in here, we got a selection of bits, just making sure there's nothing else in there. So this is actually a freebie on my coffee shop. So there's that, put that there. Little postcard, another 2 little postcards, ticket, 2 more little snippets that I made, again using the masterboards that I used and all the little knick-knacky bits that I have left over. We have that and that. Another ticket, 2 of these backed onto cardstock. We have 1 of these. I used the other, there was 2, and I wasn't going to cover this, but then I thought, yeah, I'm gonna. I should have maybe just left it up. I just hate seeing like a blank front cover of a journal, so I popped that on there, but there would have been 2 in there. So there's that, and then we have that. Right, and then in the third one, we have 2 more snippets. So these would be great on pockets, like in your journal. So, or even maybe like something like that. Maybe create a pocket, or you could just say, for instance, that's a pocket, right? You could put that on there and tuck something in. You know, just basically just using your own imagination. So yeah, no, I can't remember which one. Right, we're on here. Confusing myself now. So the 2 snippets. We've got this doll here again. Put a tab on there, or some lacy fabric, and another one of these. And then we have 4 stamped coffee dyed tags. So that is all in what's in the pouch for you to decorate the journal with. I'm going to try and put things in as I took them out. And like I said, this will be listed in my shop, and excuse me, my voice is still croaky. Yeah, this will be listed in my shop, and the other kits, that the journal kits, I will link them. They'll be on the screen at the end of this video, and I've just tucked that in like so. It's amazing what you can fit in one of them little pouches. So there we have it. Links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.